So it says, this is my sheet set for my company Mismatch that pairs silk pillowcases with cotton sheets that match. Get all the beauty benefits from silk pillowcases and soft, cool cotton sheets.
Feel it.
Love always. I think this says,
ooh, that's soft. And that's just a little case.
Oh, this is so cute. Let me see. So what was this?
Huh, that's your mesh bag to wash them in.
Oh, this is
these are so nice. Look at that. With the gold on.
I'm gonna have those.
Oh, you gonna put them on your bed, sis?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What color is this? So this is white too.
Yeah, it's just it's gonna be cotton because remember it says you mix and match the silk with the cotton.
So that's good. So when you lay down for your hair, it's good still.
Yeah, and get that moisture to stay up in there from that pillowcase. Honey, very good, Mismatch.
Very good, Mismatch.
Thank you. Let me see. Oh, yeah. They feel so nice and soft. All right. Very good, Mismatch. Thank you.